How to stop Skype from starting automatically in Windows 11. Skype is a popular video calling and messaging app, but it can be annoying when it starts automatically with Windows 11. In this video, I'll show you how to stop Skype from starting automatically in Windows 11. First, right-click on the taskbar. Then select Task Manager. Once Task Manager is open, click on the Startup tab. Find Skype in the startup list. Right-click on it, then click on Disable. Done. Now close the Task Manager. Restart your computer to make sure the changes are applied. That's it. Now Skype will not start automatically with Windows 11. You can still use Skype by opening the app manually whenever you need it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our Tutorial River channel for more videos.